So there's a post on Facebook by one of my friends, Doug Dawson. It says, I wonder what the people who write you, the letter U, and you are, the letter you are, do with all their extra time. And I wrote, that adds up when you have 3 letters per number on your phone. He replied, 1999 says that's BS. Now, this is my Nokia T-Mobile phone. If you look very, very closely. Okay, it's Sunday. I believe it's Sunday the 10th. January, Sunday the 10th. I am awake. It's 5:14 a.m. I'm going to the gym really early in the morning. Feeling a little bit better with the cold. Out of the gym, 6:15. Totally ready to rock and roll. Yay! Go accomplishments!
Sure, but I'm pretty sure it won't fall. And what is that rubber band?
It's a rubber band, yeah. I got rubber bands, yeah.
Really?
Really?
That's how I wonder.
You wonder who wrote the book of love? Dun, 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 dun. We're ready for our super bike adventure.
Not!
Are you ready for the super bike adventure?
Maybe.
You have my full attention and good intentions, and eventually we'll know where we are.
Stop in the middle. Stop.
You are my mansion. You are my...
Yep. Wait. Stay after this truck. Go.
Mansion. You are my...
There is definitely 3 letters per button on that phone. Now, a lot of people ask, why in the heck do you have a phone that's so old? Aren't you supposed to be a YouTuber? Well, yes, I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, I do YouTube stuff. I do things on YouTube. But I have a Canon 70D. Granted, a iPhone would be very, very nice. So if you got any money out there and you want to send me an iPhone, I'm all for it. But hey, you work with the tools you got. So the next time you think of a 3-button phone and you ask yourself, who in the heck has those? People that work from home. I don't need anything more. I don't need anything more. So with that, I'm actually going to continue writing, and I am going to end today's vlog because I'm going to get my 2nd one in a row, and I'm going to have this posted by tomorrow. So thanks, Doug Dawson, for giving me something to write about today. And I will put this in your account just so you can see it. And I'm even going to title it the 3-Button Flip Phone. That looks good. So, until next time, vlog out.